Welcome for the demo of Aquadrip automatic watering system. First of all, what we see that this is a tapping point from where we have taken a tapping for this Aquadrip automatic watering system. Here this is a control valve. After control valve, this is an elbow on which this screen filter is provided to avoid the contamination if any there in the pipeline. Then this is a control valve Amico tap timer. This is a tap timer, and this is the control solenoid valve. So it has a battery operated. It is a two numbers of 1.5 volt batteries are required. You can detach it, program it, and refix it back to the controller. That is the advantage of this controller. Then there is a one control valve which we have put down at the bottom of this outlet of the tap timer, from where we have taken the outlets, this 16 mm OD laterals. With the help of elbows and T's, we can distribute the watering pattern the way you want in your garden. And then finally we can attach this capillary micro stakes for watering each pot. Depending upon the size of the pot, you can fix up these micro stakes. These can be fixed on the laterals with the help of male and female connectors, and you can even detach it as and when you require. You can easily fix it and you can easily remove it, and if required you can pick down a plug here to close the watering point from this point, from this lateral. What we will see that since right now there is no programming, so there is no water dropping coming from this micro stakes. Similarly, you can lay out in your garden at your own level and install wherever you want these micro stakes. Now here we are going to program the tap timer. We can detach it. What we are seeing here is a time, a real time. In my watch it is almost 1 p.m. and 50 minutes. So we can just set it if it is required. If any changes are required, it's 1. Now start time, at what time we want to start. Say I want to start it at 1:51 minutes. How long I want to operate? Say I want to operate for 10 minutes. How often I want to irrigate? It can be 6 hours, it can be 12 hours, it can be 1 hour, 1 day, or it can be up to the 15 days. So it is an irrigation interval, so I am just programming it for each day. So now it's telling that it is almost 0 hours for the irrigation. After programming, please replace the tap timer back to the controller. Now you see that the dropping is telling just the irrigation controller has already started. And you can just see here that you are getting the waters in the drop directly into the root zone of the plant. This is the last spot on the lateral, and lateral can be closed like this by putting the end cap. So enjoy the watering with AquaDrip automatic watering system. Thanks.